how to delete all of the data on your iPhone before selling. So if you're selling your iPhone, I'll show you how to remove all of your data and also how to make sure that everything is backed up. So the first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone, and we need to make sure that our personal data is backed up. So if you haven't done this already, you can click on your profile name at the top of the screen. You can then click on iCloud and you'll see iCloud Backup. Click on this. Make sure Backup this iPhone is turned on, and then you can press the Backup Now button to make a manual backup on your phone. Now down at the bottom, you'll see all device backups. So you need to make sure that you have a backup saved here before resetting your data. Once you've done that, come back over to your account page, and the first thing we need to do is sign out of iCloud. So if you scroll down, you can click on the sign out button. You then need to select sign out but don't erase, and then go through the steps to sign out of your Apple account. Now once you're signed out, we're ready to actually delete all the data from our phone. So if you head back over to the main settings page, you can scroll down and click on General. Scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then press Erase all content and settings. So this is where you can go and delete all of the data from your phone. So you can just press Continue, and as you can see, this will delete all of our data. And then you can just go through the steps by pressing Delete and Erase Data. And once all of your personal data has been deleted, your phone will now be ready for selling.